Smart Pack System at NBC Flexible Solution by ERP Marketing. Integration by Tredicino India Limited. Need for the system. Ensure correct packing quantity. Ensure correct packing material. Avoid mixing of material. Avoid mismatch of material. Entities of system. Barcode scanner. Barcode printer. Smart Pack panel. Weight machine. Weight machine settings. Make and model SADS 215. One-time setting for Smart Pack system. Press and hold 0 key. Press left arrow 3 times to access settings. Use left and up arrow to change numeric numbers. Press star to save settings and move next. Settings for C10 to C25 changed to. Press T to save and exit. Some of the settings will be like this. As per digital settings, there are one-time mechanical settings for weight machine. Power off weight machine. Remove the screws as shown in picture, which is a mechanical lock. Load cell to weight machine indicator cable with 5 different color is as shown. There are one-time barcode printer settings also. Run printer program download application. Follow steps 1, 2, 3 to set RTC of printer. Same steps may need to follow after 2 years when RTC battery will be changed. One-time settings for barcode scanner Datalogic Gryphone GD4500 are as follows. Run the given printer program download application. Click on the settings and scan the barcode to set the scanner settings to default. To download printer program, run the printer program download application. Functionality of browse for data, line number, last serial number, password, download program are as described. This grid is having the label printing information. This is a sample CSV file having label printing information. In this way, CSV file will be loaded in software. Now, we will see the daily work to run the system. These are consumables required to run the system. Label of size 50 by 38 mm. Thermal transfer ribbon. Label size 50 by 38 can be changed with label format option as shown in image. This is a sample label printed using left side commands. Now we will see setting label as a data input to system. This is existing packing label printed from SAP using T-code Z-slip for each box. We will be using same label as an input to Smart Pack system. These are instructions given to operator in printed format from a non-SAP system. As per SOP, we will paste a single label on A4 page of instruction as an input to Smart Pack system. Thus, information will flow from SAP to Smart Pack system without any connection. Note that Smart Pack is a stand-alone system. Block diagram of system. Actual packing on packing line. Switch on all the devices. Smart Pack system will show the welcome screen. LED on printer will turn into red. Smart Pack will ask to scan the setting barcode. After scanning, barcode data will be sent to Smart Pack system. Red LED will convert into green LED. For valid barcode scan, Data in barcode will be accepted and displayed on screen. Now, system ready for packing. Here, as per setting barcode, material code 3013596. 8 number of bearings are packed in a box. 08125 means the date code. 11.99 kg means the min weight required. 12.16 kg means the max weight required. 4 means the last box number printed. For next box, it will be 5, and so on. Now, weighing will be done for the box. Weight will be transferred to system when weight becomes stable. If the weight exists within min and max weight, then only label will be printed. Printed label will be applied to the box. In case of wrong weight, respective message will be displayed. Additional facilities. Scan between two successive weighing, kept for 10 seconds, which can be changed also. This will restrict user from weighing same box again and again. In case of any problem in Smart Pack panel, connection of Smart Pack can be removed, and printer can be connected directly with weight machine. Can get the work indication from red and green LED. If we scan master barcode while packing going on, then runtime setting labels will be printed as follows. Same master label. Barcode to change item code. Barcodes to shift entire label format to left, right, upward and down. Barcode to calibrate printer. Barcodes to reduce or increase lower and upper weight by 5 gram. But it requires to scan password barcode also. Password can be set in download software as shown in picture. All these settings are done at runtime to adjust small changes to run the system. Additional things can be done like we can save the printed data on computer connected with Ethernet connection. Say at packing station 1. So, we can connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and n number of packing stations. Can save data to single computer. Data can be saved on remote computer. And same computer can save data or get data from SAP system. So, we can eliminate scanning of setting barcode and enter SAP packing work order in Smart Pack system. Also, we can eliminate existing additional OK packing label and print the final SAP box label online at packing station. Reports like packing history will be available. And all this can be done using single SAP license user.